Hi students, welcome back. In previous class we have learned about modes of e-commerce. Today we are going to learn about advantages of e-commerce. Let us have a look. Advantages of e-commerce. What are the advantages? What are the benefits of the e-commerce site? First point is faster buying, selling procedure as well as easy to find products. We can easily find the products compared to offline. So in the online we can purchase very faster, we can sell the products, so we can easily find the products. That is the first advantage. Second advantage is buy or sell 24/7. That means 24 hours, 7 days we can purchase or we can sell anything in the online. Third one, most reach to customers. There is no theoretical graphical limitations. There is no limitations to reach the customer, so we can reach to as much as you can, so you can reach more customers easily. Next one is low operational cost and better quality of services. It is very less operational cost, we can give the better quality of service. The quality of service will be increased. Next one is no need to physical company setups. No need to keep any companies, but we can manage in the home only. So no need to keep any physical company setups. Easy to start and manage your business. So we can easily start anything, our business in the online, and we can easily manage our business in the online. Customer can easily select the products from different providers without moving around physically. No need to move here and there. If you are purchasing in one shop, you don't like that product in that shop, then you want to see another model, so you need to move to other shop. In the e-commerce, we need not to move here and there. Just we can choose different many products from the one place only. We can select different many products from one place. These are all advantages of e-commerce. System of payments in e-commerce. In e-commerce sites, how can we are paying? One of the modes of electronic payments are as following. You can see the following methods how we are paying in online. First one is credit card. Through the credit card we can pay the bills or we can purchase the goods. Next one is debit card. Everybody is having the debit cards, you know this. Next one is smart cards, e-money, electronic fund transfer. What are these are all like payment options, only other payments options like internet banking, PayPal. By through the PayPal you can pay. Next one is through the Bhim UPI payments methods. Through Paytm you can pay, through PhonePe you can pay, through Google Pay you can pay. So these are all payment systems in e-commerce. Okay students, that's all for today's class. Meet you in next class. Till then, take care, stay safe.